Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Tafibul Akbar. I study at Universitas Riau in the English education program. Today, I want to tell you about an unforgettable trip that I had. On May 21st, 2025, I went to Mount Bromo in Java with my family. First, we left the hotel at about 2 in the morning while it was still dark. The weather was very cold, around 7 degrees Celsius. Even though I wore many clothes, I still felt really cold. Then, at 4:30, we waited for the sunrise. At 5 o'clock, the sun slowly appeared, and it was so beautiful. We took many photos together, and after that, we moved to another spot. Because it was still very cold, I stayed inside the car to get warm. Finally, I fell asleep in the car while my family was still outside. This trip was unforgettable for me because of the sunrise and the final moment when I slept in the car.